In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube channel art with Fotor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the editor, pick a design that fits your brand, and customize it with your own details and logo so your channel looks polished and consistent. First, open your browser and head to Fotor.com. Click the login button, then choose your account to sign in. Being logged in is helpful because it keeps everything organized and lets you come back to your work later without losing your progress. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the search bar. Type YouTube channel art and press enter. Fotor will automatically open the editor in a new tab with the correct canvas size for a YouTube banner. That way you're starting with the right dimensions and won't have to worry about guessing what will fit. Inside the editor, you'll see a library of templates and a wide range of elements you can add. Take a moment to browse. Pick a template that matches the tone of your channel. Bold and colorful for gaming or entertainment, clean and minimal for tutorials or education, and so on. As you preview options, think about readability and contrast. Your channel name should stand out against the background, and your colors should feel consistent with the rest of your brand. When you've chosen a template, start editing the details. Click on the text fields to update your channel name, tagline, and any supporting text. Adjust the font style, size, and spacing until everything looks balanced. Try to keep your key information centered so it displays well across TV, desktop, and mobile. Simplicity is your friend here. Clear text and a strong focal point make a big difference. Next, replace the placeholder image with your photo or logo. A high-resolution file, ideally a PNG with a transparent background, will look sharper and more professional. Position it so it doesn't crowd your text, and make sure it's large enough to be seen without overpowering the design. If your logo has specific brand colors, update the template's palette to match for a cohesive look. Feel free to tweak elements like shapes, icons, and backgrounds to better reflect your style. Small adjustments, such as aligning edges, fine-tuning color contrast, and keeping enough space around your text, will make your banner look intentional and well-designed. Take a final pass to proofread your text and confirm everything is aligned. That's it, your YouTube channel art is now customized in Fotor and ready to represent your brand beautifully.